Hello, my spectacular spellers. Welcome back to another week of Spectacular Spelling. This week we'll be doing second grade, week 7. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and family so they too can be spectacular spellers. Make sure you watch the video at least twice a day so that you can learn your words in no time. Are we ready to get spelling?
Yuppity-dup.
Our first word is
Mule.
remember that sometimes when there are two vowels in a word, the second vowel makes the first vowel say its name and the second vowel is silent. Let's sound it out so you can hear.
You.
Good job. Now let's spell the word mule.
M-U-L-E.
Good job. Our next word is
Fuse.
let's sound it out.
You.
Good job. Do you see a word that can help you spell fuse?
U-S-E.
Use. Good job. Let's spell the word fuse.
F-U-S-E.
Excellent. Our next word is
Plum.
let's sound it out. Now let's spell the word plum.
P-L-U-M.
Good job.
That looks really yummy.
I know it does. Up next is,
Use.
and we're back to our vowel. In this one, the E make the U say its name, and then the E is silent. Let's sound it out.
You.
Good job. Now let's spell the word use.
U-S-E.
Excellent. Our next word is,
Doug.
let's sound it out.
D-A-G.
Now let's spell the word Doug.
D-U-G.
Our next word is,
Cub.
let's sound it out.
A-B.
Now let's spell the word cub.
C-U-B.
Good job. Our next word is,
Cute.
let's sound it out.
U.
Good job. Now let's spell the word cute.
C-U-T-E.
Excellent.
That looks really adorable.
That is a cute baby panda. Our next word is,
Hum.
let's sound it out. Now let's spell the word hum.
H-U-M.
Our next word is,
Must.
let's sound it out.
A-st.
Good job. Now let's spell the word must.
M-U-S-T.
Good job. Our next word is,
Fun.
let's sound it out. Now let's spell the word fun.
F-U-N.
Good job.
That looks really fun.
I know. Our next word is,
Rope.
we're back to our vowels. The E will make the O say its name and the E will be silent. Let's sound it out.
R-O.
Good job. Now let's spell the word rope.
R-O-P-E.
Excellent. Our next word is,
Nose.
let's sound it out.
O.
Good job. Now let's spell the word nose.
N-O-S-E.
You did it. Our next word is,
Look.
let's sound it out. Now let's spell the word look.
L-O-O-K.
Good job.
That looks really creepy.
Up next is,
Yes.
let's sound it out.
Y-E-S.
Now let's spell the word yes.
Y-E-S.
Yes, you did it. Our next word is
There.
good job. In this word, the I doesn't make the E say itself. These are the sometimes. Let's sound it out.
Eh. Er.
Good job. Now let's spell the word there.
T-H-E-I-R.
Excellent. Great job, my spectacular spellers. Those were all 15 words for second grade week 7. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your
Friends and family.
Also, make sure you watch the video at least twice a day so you can learn your words in no time. Here's a review of all 15 words. Hit it, RC.
Mule. Fuse. Plum. Use. Dog. Cub. Cute. Hum. Must. Fun. Rope. Nose. Look. Yes. There.
Good job.
Don't forget to check back next week for week 8.
See you next week.